Hello all, we are Arav and Arnav. 10 ways to be a better steward for our environment. Upcoming slides will tell you more about this. Watch and learn. Know our environment. Environment is defined as the surrounding in which organisms live. It is the mixture of abiotic and biotic components. Why should we save environment? As we know, Earth is our only home and essential for healthy living. Earth is suffering from global warming, and to live peacefully, we need healthy and cool environment. Upcoming slides will tell you more ways to save our Earth. First, we have to change our habits. We have to change our habits into a healthy way. First, we have to change our transportation habits. Walk more. Health benefits of walking are numerous. Thirdly, change our eating habits. Always buy in bulk. And you always use reusable bottles for water. Fourth, adapt your home. By trying to choose energy efficient appliances and using paper wisely. Save our land by cleaning our surroundings and reducing garbage and disposing it scientifically. Reuse items by making reusable fabric bags and turning useless things into something useful. Aware the public about the importance of environment. Preserve our forest by stopping deforestation, creating forests, and saving animals. Try to use energy from renewable source only. Turn off the lights when they are not in use. Save water by increasing groundwater level with help of rainwater harvesting, by not wasting water, and by stopping to pollute water. Do you know? Recently, in our town, the use of plastic bags were banned. The defaulters were charged a fine of 5,000 rupees. Say no to plastic bags. Act now before it's too late. Never forget to follow the 3 R's in our life. The 3 R's are reduce, reuse, recycle. Note the days. 22nd April is Earth Day and 5th June is World Environment Day. Let us all be good stewards of the earth we inherited. All of us have to share its fragile ecosystem and precious resources, and each of us has a role to play in preserving them. If we all are to go on living together on this earth, we must all be responsible for it. Thank you.